Role of other organs in excretion. What is the first organ for excretion? Kidney. What are the other organs of excretion? Lungs, liver, skin, intestine, salivary glands. Other than kidneys, there are some accessory excretory organs that also help in elimination of excretory waste. These are as described. First is lungs. Carbon dioxide and water are the waste products formed in respiration. Lungs remove the carbon dioxide and some water as vapor in expired air. Lungs remove the carbon dioxide and some water as vapor in the expired air. About 200 ml per minute of carbon dioxide and 400 ml of water per day are eliminated by human lungs. How much? 200 ml per minute of CO2 and 400 ml of water vapor. That is water. Liver. Liver, it changes the decomposed hemoglobin of the worn out red blood corpuscles into bile pigments, that is bilirubin and biliverdin. These pigments passed into alimentary canal with the bile for elimination in the feces. Liver decomposes hemoglobin. When this hemoglobin or RBCs are break down, the waste product is bilirubin or biliverdin. This bilirubin and biliverdin has to throw out from the body. It is thrown out in the form of feces, that is stools. This is excreted. Now, cholesterol, steroid hormones, certain vitamins and drugs via bile. Also, with bile, these also are excreted. Liver deaminates the excess and unwanted amino acids, producing ammonia, which is quickly combined with CO2 to form urea in urea cycle or ornithine cycle, which is further removed by the kidneys. Now the skin. In skin, there are sweat glands and sebaceous glands. The sweat glands and sebaceous glands in the skin can eliminate certain substances through their secretions. Sweat glands. The secretion of sweat glands sweat is an aqueous fluid containing sodium chloride, lactic acid and small amounts of urea, amino acids and glucose. Control of sweat lost is an example of hemostasis control for regulating the body temperature, that is to facilitate a cooling effect on the body surface. When the body is too hot, we get sweat so that the temperature is maintained. When the body is too cold, there is no sweat. Now the sebaceous glands. Sebum from sebaceous glands eliminates sterols, fatty acids, waxes and hydrocarbons. This secretion is mainly meant for protective oily covering of the skin. Now the intestine. Epithelial cells of colon excrete excess salts of calcium, magnesium and iron along with feces. What this intestine do? Excess calcium, magnesium and iron by feces. Then salivary glands. Heavy metals and drugs are excreted in the saliva. Now to sum up, important metabolic waste and substances excreted from the body. Ammonia. Deaminization, removal of amine group of amino acids in liver. Organs of excretion through kidney. Bile pigments formed due to hemoglobin breakdown in liver. Organs of excretion is liver, from liver to small intestine and then to feces. Carbon dioxide, breakdown of glucose in cells and excreted through lungs. Inorganic ions, food and water. Through food and water it is introduced in body and thrown out by kidneys and salivary glands. Urea, derived from ammonia, thrown out by kidneys and skin. Uric acid, by nucleotide breakdown in liver, excreted by kidneys. Urochrome, due to breakdown of hemoglobin in liver, excreted by kidneys. Water, when we take food and water, and also through breakdown of glucose excreted via kidneys, skin and lungs. So the main chemicals what we have waste as an waste in our body are ammonia, bile pigments, carbon dioxide, inorganic ions, urea, uric acid, urochrome and water, which are eliminated or excreted through kidney, liver, lungs, salivary glands, skin.